For the height, I measured 21 inches and 15.5 inches for the width, and I folded the width into two equal parts, and I ended up with 21 inches for the height still and 7.75 inches for the width. Then I measured 11.5 inches at the middle parts, and I also measured 7.5 inches as you can see in the video. Then I measured 1.5 inches, which will serve as the handle. Then I measured another 4 inches, then 3 inches, then another 4 inches. This should be the last one. So I rolled out that part, which will serve as the bag pockets. Then I connected those dots that I pointed towards in the video. So you can use freehand to connect the dots. I used freehand and mine came out really well. Then I cut out the part that I traced. That's going to be the template for the pockets and the other parts. At the down part of the bag, of the template rather, I measured 1.5 inches to form a square, which I then cut out. So this was what I ended up with after unfolding the template. Then the next thing I did was to cut out the fabric and also the lining. I used the templates. I did them separately to ensure they were properly cut out. So I cut out the lining separately and the bag material, which was corduroy, separately. Then I also cut out the pocket lining and the pocket outer part from the corduroy material. If you'd like to see the concluding part of this video, please click the link at the top right corner. See you in the next video.